Since the dawn of civilization, humanity has been captivated and humbled by the immense and untamed power of weather. Floods, droughts, storms. These forces of nature have shaped our history, often bringing devastation in their wake. Yet from these encounters with nature's fury, an audacious ambition emerged, the pursuit of mastering and controlling the forces of weather itself. In the 20th century, that ambition took its first tentative steps toward reality. Cloud seeding, a technique to enhance rainfall, emerged as a beacon of hope, promising to alleviate droughts and boost agriculture. Yet, as with any formidable technology, immense power demands unwavering responsibility. The spectre of misuse looms large, casting a profound and unsettling shadow. What if these tools, intended for the betterment of humankind, fell into the wrong hands? What if weather engineering became a weapon capable of unleashing nature's fury with calculated precision? The very idea seems like the plot of a dystopian novel, yet the science behind it is chillingly real. Patents filed over the decades reveal a darker side to weather modification, one that could hold the fate of nations hostage. The concept of cloud seeding seems deceptively simple. By dispersing particles of silver iodide or dry ice into the atmosphere, scientists can encourage the formations of ice crystals within clouds, potentially leading to precipitation. While the effectiveness of cloud seeding in all conditions is still debated, the potential for weaponization is undeniable. Imagine, for instance, a nation deliberately inducing torrential rainfall over enemy territory. Entire crops could be obliterated, critical infrastructure reduced to ruin, and entire cities brought to a standstill. The devastating power of rainmaking reaches far beyond the mere creation of floods, unleashing chaos on an unimaginable scale. By carefully manipulating rainfall patterns, a nation could trigger devastating droughts in specific regions. Water sources would dwindle, crops wither, and famine grip the land. The resulting social and political upheaval could rival, if not surpass, the devastation of conventional or even nuclear weapons. And unlike bombs and bullets, the effects of engineered drought would linger for years, poisoning the land and leaving a legacy of suffering. While controlling rainfall might seem alarming enough, the potential to manipulate more powerful weather phenomena is even more terrifying. Picture a hurricane, its eye a relentless vortex of raw, unimaginable power, hurtling toward a densely populated coastline with merciless intent. Now imagine that hurricane steered off course, its unrelenting fury intentionally unleashed upon a chosen city. This is no work of science fiction, but a haunting reality foreshadowed in patents that whisper of hurricane manipulation. These patents unveil chilling methods to manipulate the intensity and trajectory of hurricanes, threatening to transform them into instruments of unfathomable devastation. By methodically seeding clouds within a hurricane's outer bands, one could, in theory, disrupt its energy balance, steering its wrath toward a chosen target or unleashing its fury with amplified force. The destruction wrought by a Category 5 hurricane is beyond comprehension, but the horrifying prospect of a weaponized superstorm defies even the darkest imagination. Imagine, if you can, the chilling notion of rewriting the very laws that govern the atmosphere itself. The most radical and deeply unsettling weather modification patents delve into the shadowy realm of manipulating atmospheric electricity, a force as enigmatic as it is terrifying. These chilling proposals blur the line between reality and science fiction, envisioning the use of immense electromagnetic fields to seize control of weather patterns on an apocalyptic scale. Though the practicality of such technologies remains shrouded in uncertainty, their potential consequences are nothing short of catastrophic. Imagine a nation capable of generating localized storms, unleashing lightning strikes with pinpoint accuracy, or even disrupting the jet stream, causing widespread climate chaos. The very fabric of our atmosphere could become a battleground with unpredictable and potentially catastrophic consequences. The boundary between science and science fiction dissolves when confronting the grim prospect of nations weaponizing the primal forces of nature itself. Finally, envision a world held captive, a chilling nightmare of global domination under the guise of control. The weaponization of weather modification technologies looms as a shadowy threat, unraveling the very fabric of global security and stability. The mere thought of nations wielding engineered droughts, floods, or superstorms to hold each other hostage evokes a harrowing vision of a dystopian nightmare. Yet, the science driving these threats grows disturbingly tangible, demanding urgent vigilance from those who understand this dark technology and those who possess the power to prevent its catastrophic use. A worldwide prohibition on the weaponization of weather modification technologies is not merely necessary, it is an urgent imperative to prevent untold devastation. Just as humanity has forged treaties to ban the horrors of chemical and biological warfare, so too must we rise to outlaw this looming and insidious threat. Make no mistake, open and transparent research into weather modification must be encouraged, but only under strict and uncompromising safeguards to ensure this formidable technology is never wielded for malevolent purposes. The fate of our planet may hinge on our ability to act decisively and unitedly before the very heavens are turned into a battlefield. Be sure to subscribe to the channel to stay informed on critical topics like this. Share your thoughts in the comments below. I'd value hearing your perspective on the chilling reality of weather modification.